Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another unboxing with y'all. I had just became a brand ambassador with Chasing Curlz, and if you do not know about Chasing Curlz, they are a black owned hair company, hair brand. They're a new up and coming company, and they have been around, I believe, like the end of last year. So I'm just so happy to be working with this company. I am now a brand ambassador of this company, and I have just received my first brand ambassador box. So I just wanted to open it up with y'all because y'all wanted to see more unboxings, and I just got this box, so I'm just so excited to show you guys the goodies that I have. Also, the young lady that does own this brand, her name is Mickey, and she is a New Orleans resident. And if you don't know me already, I am from New Orleans. So I am very excited to be working with her and her brand because, I mean, black owned, she from my city, you know what I'm saying? It's just so nice. It's a nice combo, okay? And she's a female, okay? Female entrepreneur, okay? Black girls rock. Yes, okay? So let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so the first thing I want to point out is this box is super duper cute. I think my brightness is just too bright right now, but let me see if I can help y'all see it a little bit. Okay, so this is what the box look like, and it is so freaking cute with the queen, okay, with the natural hair. Super cute. Have the logo here, Chasing Curlz. And so we're gonna go ahead and open up this box, and it is so cute inside. Have some beautiful ladies here, and this is the owner right here, Mickey. Super duper cute. And here are all the products right here in this box. So we're going to talk about each and every product that is included into this box. So the first product I want to mention is this light lather cleansing shampoo. It has no parabens, no sulfates, silicones, and no artificial dyes. So the next product is the coconut cream moisturizing conditioner, and it's also have no parabens, no silicones, no sulfates, all the good stuff. I believe all these products don't have any sulfates, no parabens in there. If they do, I will let you know. But I love the fact that it does says moisturizer, and I can't wait to use this one. Then it also have the leave-in conditioner with coconut and hibiscus, and I love hibiscus. I love the fact that this bottle does have a pump on it because it makes it easy to use, which I do love. I love products that have a pump on it. That's just me. The next thing they have is this hair growth serum, and it has she did tell me how to pronounce it, and I'm sorry girl, I really forgot how to pronounce this, but it's the Baranga, maybe tell me if I'm wrong, Baranga and sulfur serum, and it's also have no parabens, sulfates, and silicones. I love the fact that they have these natural elements in here. It just make it look so herbal, and I love that. And it does come with a dropper for easy application. So the next product I have is this Healthy Hair Keratin Treatment, and I was a little nervous about the keratin treatment because, you know, I do hear that keratin is supposed to like straighten the hair, but this is actually to strengthen the hair. Just leave it on for 15 minutes. You can sit underneath the dryer for 15 minutes, or you can have a shower cap on your hair for 15 minutes and you just wash it out, and it's supposed to help strengthen the hair. It's also kind of like a protein treatment, and it helps with us color treated hair girls that, you know, like to dye our hair all the time. The next thing that I have is this Insta Curl Defining Gel. And I'm definitely going to use this probably with the combination of the twisting souffle that I'm going to show y'all. Just because I have been using gels and cream lately to give me like a nice strong hold with my twist outs. So I can't wait to try this out. And then last but not least is probably going to be my favorite, but we will see, is a twisting souffle, and I'm most likely going to use this on a twist out because, you know, I am so loving to doing twist outs. Okay, that's my go-to style of all time. So if y'all haven't heard of Chasing Curlz, or y'all would like to try Chasing Curlz, I do have a coupon code for y'all to use. It is TAMSY15, and you will get 15% off of every single purchase that you make on the website. Now that's Tamsy. Tamsy is my full first name. I know I go by tamkam, but it's actually Tamsy, so that's TAMSY 15, and you can just put that coupon code in at checkout and you'll get 15% off of your total. Okay, you guys, I hope y'all did enjoy this unboxing. I am really so excited to be working with this brand. Also, don't forget, if you do want to try this company and save a little bit of coins, don't forget to use my coupon code TAMSY15 at checkout so you can save 15% off of your purchase. future purchases, today's purchase, next week purchase, next month purchase, whatever purchase, but you know what I'm saying. So I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit that bell button so you're notified every single time when I post a new video about unboxings, hair, whatever, boo. Okay, just stay tuned. All right, thank you guys.